The universe is filled with wonders. Galaxies spiral through the vastness of space. Stars explode with unimaginable power. But here on Earth, a new marvel unfolds: the rise of intelligent machines. We call it artificial intelligence, or AI. It's changing our lives in ways we never imagined. At the heart of AI lies machine learning. Imagine a computer that learns from experience just like we do. No need for explicit programming. It analyzes data, identifies patterns, and makes predictions. The more data it consumes, the smarter it becomes. Machine learning drives everything from self-driving cars to personalized recommendations. It's the engine behind facial recognition, medical diagnoses, and even the detection of distant planets. But how does it all work? The answer lies in understanding the different ways machines learn. Two approaches stand out: supervised and unsupervised learning. Each offers unique advantages and unlocks different possibilities in the quest to create truly intelligent machines. Imagine teaching a dog a new trick. You give commands, reward correct responses, and gently correct mistakes. Supervised learning is similar. We provide the machine with labeled data, acting as its teacher. This data is like a set of flashcards. Each card has an input, the question, and an output, the answer. Think of email spam detection. We feed the algorithm emails labeled as spam or not spam. The algorithm learns to identify patterns that distinguish spam from legitimate emails. Subject lines, sender addresses, even the content itself become clues. Once trained, it can analyze new emails and accurately classify them. Other examples abound: predicting stock prices, recognizing handwritten digits, even translating languages. Supervised learning tackles them all. It's powerful, versatile, and widely used across countless applications. Now imagine a child discovering the world for the first time. No labels, no instructions, just pure exploration. That's unsupervised learning. We give the machine unlabeled data and let it find patterns on its own. Think of customer segmentation. An online retailer collects data on browsing history, purchase patterns, and demographics. Unsupervised learning algorithms can group similar customers together. This allows the retailer to target different groups with personalized recommendations and marketing campaigns. No need to tell the algorithm what to look for. It discovers the underlying structure in the data all by itself. Unsupervised learning excels at uncovering hidden relationships and insights. It's used in fraud detection, anomaly detection, and even for generating creative content like full of wonder and possibility.